Sorry, that last one got cut off. So we were talking about angle bisectors. If we know that this new ray is an angle bisector, and we know that ABC's original measure was 46 degrees, can we find the measurements of the two new angles? Yes, we can. So I want you to think about that for a second. And the correct answer here would be 23. If ABC was 46 degrees, each of these two new angles is going to be 23 because we're cutting this angle in half. And half of 46 is 23. All right, the ray that bisects angle MPR is which one? The correct answer is PN. Since these two are congruent, PN is the bisector right here. Since NP bisects MPR, then these two new angles, MPN and NPR, are congruent. This symbol means congruent. They both have one arc. That means that they're congruent. And now we are going to set up an algebraic equation. Read very carefully. So if we know that MPN is 2x plus 14 and NPR is x plus 24, we need to set up an equation to find x. Remember, when things are congruent, then we set up our equations by setting part equal to part. So our equation here is going to be 2x plus 14 equals x plus 34. And I want you to solve for x. So pause for as long as you need to do that. Here are your answer choices. And the correct answer, of course, is going to be 20. 20. We subtract x from both sides. We add 14, or we subtract 14 from both sides. We get x over here, and we get 20 over here. Okay, then on your paper, you want to be careful because I broke this up, but your paper says find x and find the measure of angle NPR. So now that we know x, we need to go back and find NPR. So to find NPR, you want to look at the value we just found, and we want to look at this equation right here. So here are your possible answer choices. And the correct answer is 54. X was 20. NPR was x plus 34. So 20 plus 34 gives us 54. And the last question is not on your paper, but I want you to find MPR. What is the measure of angle MPR? Here are your answer choices. So the correct answer here would be 108. If NPR by itself is 54, that means that MPN is also 54. So the measure of the bigger angle MPR is 54 plus 54, which gives us 108. And that does it for this set of notes. Your homework is going to be sorry. Okay, your homework is going to be this page right here. Just that page, just the one page. So you're going to be naming some vertices, naming some sides, Giving some angles different names. Dang it.
Thank you for your attention. This concludes our...
Where was it? Sorry. Okay. You do not have to use a protractor to measure the angle to the nearest degree. I don't have enough protractors for everybody, so just tell me whether it's right, acute, or obtuse. Right, acute, or obtuse. And then this last one, you're going to set up an algebra problem based on this information right here. So read this information carefully, and then use that to set up your algebra problem and solve for x. And then you're going to find the measure of EBD. No, you're not going to be able to stop at just finding x. Okay, and that's it for your homework. Be sure to email me if you have any questions. My email is in the syllabus if you forget it. All right, have a great day.